Just when you thought you knew everything about Luxembourg, along comes a new sport to surprise you. But there's nothing new about Beerbal. This quirky, fast-paced game was, in fact, first played in Luxembourg during the 1800s. And thanks to a group of sporty expats, it is making a comeback. We spoke to the coach, James Don.
James, why did you decide to get involved with Beerbal?
Well, as an expat, it's nice to play some local traditional game, and we're playing with Luxembourgers as well. So it's great to be involved in something that's coming back to life, and there's plenty of beer as well, so that's all great fun.
The game was discovered by chance by an Oxford academic living in Luxembourg, researching for a book about local agricultural heritage.
Professor Sands, how did you first hear about Beerbal?
Well, I was doing some research about local tradition and culture. I'm an expert here. I wanted to develop my knowledge about, the community hosting me. And in some Luxembourg Terroir article of very back in time, I think 1901, something around those time, I found reference to Beerbal sport, which is a local sport/tradition, and it's basically played by two teams. Then I say, well, maybe they still do this. I just digited it on YouTube or Google, I don't remember, and I found a footage. Now, I'm not sure this is exactly the same sport, but I say, well, let's try to redo it.
This incredible footage, posted by an unknown person on YouTube, appears to show Beerbal being played. The multi-skilled game requires players to throw a potato into a basket balanced on the head of the tallest player. But some aspects had, of course, to be updated for modern playing.
Well, I think we mainly adapted it with defining some rules and with what we use. So, for example, in ancient times, it seems that potatoes were coming from the vegetable garden of the mayor of the city. Now, of course, we just go to the supermarket and get potatoes. And also the beer, which is taken at the end, as in this case, was originally homemade. Now, once again, this is just purchased from, But we try to stick to local markets and, to the extent possible, to local products.
Luxembourger Raphael is pleased that someone has brought the sport back to life and discovered that her ancestors were avid Beerbal players. I didn't know this sport before, but then I asked some family members about it. And they told me that my great-great-great-great-grandfather played it. And so I and Professor Sands put together a small club to revive the sport of Beerbal. Professor Sands and his friends are looking for players to join this revived sport. If you would like to have a go, why not go to their next training session or have a look on their Facebook page.